today I need to go into the beehive, into the box, and I need to take out 2 frames that actually are capped full of honey so we can actually process them and get some honey today. So that's what I'm actually going to do today. So I'm going to go get suited up. I'm going to put on my suit, bee hat, get some fire started, and see if I can actually take out 2 frames full of honey and see how much honey we can actually get. Suited up, I'm actually ready to go try to take those frames out. Funny thing about this, oh look, pretty cool. It's one of our figs. Sorry, ADHD. A bird. It's a fig on the tree. It's getting nice and big. I really don't like bugs. They freak me out, and so the fact that I'm actually going out here getting bees and taking care of bees is really shocking even to myself, because I'm not a bug person, don't like bugs, but y'all gives me strength, and I'm actually able to get out here and do this for the sake of my family and taking care of them. So yeah, it's all good. So you can see the bees are all out on the outside enjoying some of this summer heat. It's very hot in this suit. I'm already starting to sweat. Hopefully this doesn't take very long at all. All right, so here we go. So, due to technical difficulties, the camera actually cut off before I actually had a chance to show me pulling out the frames. But this is 2 of the frames I'm gonna pull out, and you can actually see, for the most part, it's all capped, and that's a wax on there. And we'll have to scrape all that off to get all the honey out, but this is 1 frame, and it's capped on both sides. This is 1 frame, and this is the 2nd frame full of honey. You can see here too, it's all capped. There's a couple spaces here or there where they didn't actually get it all capped there. One of the things that we did notice that we saw, which actually had to talk to our bee mentor about, was we saw some hive beetles in there as I was actually pulling out the frames. He said there's nothing to worry about based on the number of hive beetles that we actually had in the frame, but we'll have to get a strainer when we actually filter the honey, so that way the comb and just kind of any foreign objects that we don't actually want in our honey to come out won't be actually in there. So probably in another coming video, I'll actually show us putting it in the spinner, spinning it out, and getting the honey. And we'll actually see how much honey we can actually get from the 2 frames. So overall, pretty successful. I didn't get any stings, although the bees were actually buzzing around. I felt a couple kamikaze bees come at me and hit the suit, but it protected me, so I felt pretty confident about that, especially being, again, that I do not like bugs at all, especially flying ones or ones that I can't actually swat away and control. So pretty cool.